Precision screwdriver set, 110 in 1. Professional screwdriver multifunction magnetic repair toolkit. This is Menina from mediaboxentlab. Subscribe and share to be the first to know about the new technology coming up. This will help you fix your smartphone and computers. The shafts are very strong and they are anti-rust too.
All right, let's take a look. This cool tool set is a multifunction to repair your laptop, computers, PC, everything. Plus it has a cool color, yellow, like our logo. So let's check some of the bits here. It's 98 bits, everything that you need it for. If you're going to fix your iPhone, you're going to fix your Android phone, laptops. I mean, how many times you want to open your Xbox and you got these crazy little things, so you try to use regular screwdriver. So this is a nice set. If you're into computers, repair, network, or to do just a small repair of your phone, that's the way to go. This has a magnetic, so you can put all these tiny pieces. This is for your phone. It's going to be taken if you're taking the display. In my case, we're going to use it only for repair computer and open like robotics or little small things. Here you got the dry set. Again, if you want to take the SIM card, this is for the screen. And again, this is all things for the screen and a small tweezer. And this is nice. It's magnetic. We can use the extension if we have to. There's another one here. You put it in. Let's go. Let's get one of these things here. And if you want to use this special bit, see, nice to use. Definitely, even to, you know, sometimes for your eyeglasses. So definitely is a way to go if you're looking to do a small repair or open any tech item in your house. To get more information on this cool 98 set, I'm sorry, 110 precision tool set, check the link below.